Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show a simple recipe made with brinjal. It's called Brinjal Bhaji, or in Goa we call Vangyanche Suke. So let's get started. In order to make, I've taken 2 red onion, medium size, chop them finely and leave it on the side. This is a very simple recipe and a healthy recipe and yet very delicious. You can try this as shown and enjoy brinjal bhaji. I have taken 2 eggplant. You have to wash the eggplant first and cut as shown. Basically we need small dice. We can make many recipes out of eggplant. This is one of my favorite and I enjoy this with hot chapatis. You can also try this recipe and comment in the comment section how you all liked it or which is your favorite eggplant recipe. You can let me know. Check this out. This is the size we need, small dice. Now in a vessel add onion, add eggplant. Now add required amount of salt is to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This gives you a better flavor. Even if you don't have, you can use vegetable one. Now add half a cup of water. And add 3 red chili. Just make them in half. Break into pieces and then mix the whole thing. Once you mix everything, just cover the vessel and keep it on the flame on medium. Now cook it till the water dries up. Check this. Water is still remaining little bit. It has to cook little bit more. Water has to be completely dried and eggplant should be soft and tender. Now this is ready. Check this out. This is completely dried up. Now add half a cup of grated coconut and saute it for at least 5 minutes on a slow flame. Let it mix. This is the main ingredient. This gives you a better taste and better flavor. Okay, check this out. Our bhaji is ready now. Ready to be served. This is how you have to make brinjal bhaji. Watch the video carefully and get this right. You can try this recipe at home. It's a very simple recipe. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends. It is very important so that they also come to know how to make brinjal bhaji. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.